What if facility management could be predictive instead of reactive? This is ticket mastery. At Rice, over 200,000 maintenance tickets contain valuable but underused data. Our project uncovers patterns across buildings, time, and recurring issues to support smarter facilities decisions. We built four main components. First, we predict whether a ticket is likely to become repetitive. Then, we group similar issues from ticket descriptions. We also use sentiment analysis to better understand feedback patterns. Finally, we bring everything together in an interactive dashboard. The biggest impact is efficiency. Now, REST FEP can use our analysis and dashboard to quickly identify repeated problems, prioritize maintenance work, and make more data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching. This is Ticket Mastery.